Good afternoon, students. Okay, in the previous class, we have in classical approach we have completed with the bureaucratic management and scientific management. Okay, so today we are going to discuss with the administrative management. Okay, administrative management nothing but it is given by the Henry Fayol. Okay, and Henry Fayol is called as a father of the administrative management. In case of scientific management, who is the father? There, Taylor. F.W. Taylor is the father of the scientific management. But in case of administrative management, Henry Fayol. So regarding the Henry Fayol, already we have discussed the 14 principles of Henry Fayol. Again, the same thing we are going to discuss over here. So once you see here, regarding the Henry Fayol started his career as a junior engineer in a coal mine company in France and became a general manager in 1880. He wrote a book on general and industrial management in 1916, which was published in English in 1949. Okay, the book is considered to be one of the best classics in management. Okay, so his contribution may be classified under three categories. Okay, classification of business activities, functions of management, and principles of management. So Henry Fayol, actually he has started his career in as junior engineering. Okay, afterwards he became a general manager in 1880. So through his experience in the industrial field, in 1916 he has written a book, that is industrial management book he has written, and he has made so many of what means he has made so many improvements in the management regarding the administrative management. Okay, so many improvements he has made, and totally his experience he has kept in that book itself. Okay, so here what happens means during his career, so he had made a lot of changes in the business activities. Nothing but by experience he has made a lot of changes in the business activities. Okay, so here first one you see classification of business activities. So classification of business activities, nothing but business activities he has divided into here 6 categories. Once you see here, technical activities, nothing but regarding the production, it is regarding the production, nothing but how the production should be improved, Next, commercial activities, nothing but after producing the goods, what we have to do, we have to sell in the market, like buying, selling, and exchange should be there. Okay, next, financial activities, nothing but resources. Okay, financial activities, nothing but we have to see the resources from where we can get. Next, security activities means protection of property and person, even they have to protect the property and persons also. Accounting activities, so regularly they have to maintain records, those all comes under accounting activities. And managerial activities. So here what happens means, Henry Fayol, what he suggests means, administrative should be in a perfect manner. Like production should be improved in that way that as per the customer requirement. Okay, commercial activities, even they have to see that the goods which we have produced, those goods should be bought, or else if suppose we want to purchase any raw material, the goods which we have produced, those goods should be sold in the market, or else if suppose we want to purchase any raw material, we have to buy it. Okay, those all things. Next, financial activities, we have to see that funds or resources from the funds or resources from where we can get, and the capital which is there, that capital how we have to use it in a correct manner. Okay, the securities activities, even we have to secure the company's not even company's properties and employees, etc. So accounting activities, even we have to maintain a correct accounts in the organization. But these all comes under the administrative management. Okay, so afterwards, functions of management. So in functions of management, already I have discussed regarding the function